Right, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. I hope you are all ready for Christmas. I am currently sat in the car park of the local sort of shopping area precinct. I haven't even started my Christmas shopping yet. So like a typical bloke, it's Friday and I've left it to the last minute. So I've just got to go and get it all done in one big hit, and whatever I haven't got, I haven't got. So while I was sat here waiting and sort of contemplating doing what I need to do, I thought I would jump on and just basically say a massive thank you for your continued support on this YouTube channel. As a lot of you, there's a lot of people that have been sort of from day one, a lot of new subscribers, and there's a lot of people that watch that don't subscribe, you know, each to their own sort of thing, but subscribing to the channel does make a massive difference. But what I want to say is a thank you to all of the ones that have been here from the start, all the new ones. I started the channel really on a whim coming out the tail end of lockdown, and I never thought it would get to where it is now, and it still blows me away every time I upload a video, the amount of people that watch it and the comments I get, and just generally the interaction that I get from you lot that watch what I do. Like I've always said, I want this channel to be real world plumbing. It's a day, you know, I'm showing everything, when it goes right, when it goes wrong, as you full well know, and a little insight into going to the merchants. I just wanted to make my content in a style that I personally would like to see. I watch a lot of sort of car YouTube stuff, so I took that sort of element of it and tried to brand it into a little bit of the videos that I do. Plus, it's also now there's a few more plumbing channels that are coming up on YouTube. Plumb Like Tom is a great one. Tom's content is superb, what he puts out there. He's a very, very knowledgeable guy. Obviously, Pete, we all know PB Plumber. His channel is, you know, the sort of the go-to plumbing channel, and I've become a really good friend with Pete as well, off the back of the Trade Legends stuff, what I'll speak about in a bit. The more channels out there, the better. So if you are thinking of setting a YouTube channel up, plumbing or electrics or carpentry or whatever trade you're in, just do it. It's opened up that many doors for me. Like this year, for instance, I started this year off, it coming into my second year with 10,000 subscribers, and it just sort of grew and grew, and the more that it grows, the more that companies spot what I'm doing. A perfect example is these boys, Unilight. Alex and the team at Unilight come to me. They approached me early in the year. They're not far from me. They're literally 10 minutes down the road, and I've become good friends with Alex as well, who owns Unilight. And he said, would you think about letting us sponsor the channel? I was blown away with it, literally blown away, and straight away I said to him, mate, of course, not a problem at all. Whatever you want, you know, I'll do. And I'm fortunate that they send me a lot of products, and they give me a lot of products to give away. And also, obviously, my discount code MJTIF will get you 25% off. But that, I can pass that over to you as subscribers to the channel. And I know a lot of you have took the offer up, and you've got lights, and you continue to get lights, and I'm saving you a bit of money on them. And you know, they'll do giveaways with me and stuff, which I will do another one coming into the new year. So I really massively appreciate Unilight, you know, being involved with the channel, along with other companies. Talon, I work with Talon, a really good company. Snug Underfloor Heating, Jen and Steve, who own Snug Underfloor Heating, are just brilliant people. They invited me along to the installer show this year, which again was something that I'd never ever thought that I would be. I've been to installer shows over the years and seen people working with companies, and always wondered how it happened, and now I'm fortunate enough to be doing that. And I will be at the installer show next year, again with Snug Underfloor Heating and a couple of other companies that I'm talking to at the moment. We think we're going to do some stuff, but it's just opportunities like that. And also, while I'm there, I let you guys know that I'm there, and I met so many people who watch the channel at the installer event and at the tool fairs and just out and about. I've been in Plumbase before, and lads have come up to me and gone, oh, watch your channel on YouTube and have a good chat with me. And like the other week, Screwfix, Mike Brewer comes in. I'm not going to pretend that Mike Brewer came in to see me. Mike Brewer happened to come in. I seen him and went, come on, come outside and do a little bit of a video for me, which was great. So yeah, I really do appreciate companies like that. I say like Hick Micro, they've worked with me with the thermal imaging cameras. I've done bits with them. It's all off the back of what you guys have invested in watching the videos that I make for you. So I really, really do appreciate that. Going forward into the next year, let me know what you want to see on the channel. I've been meaning to do a YouTube live for a while now, and I just haven't got round to doing it, and I've been too busy. And a couple of times I have thought, right, I'm going to do it next week. I was going to let you know and then do it next week, and just things got in the way. So I'm going to start trying to do some YouTube lives, but drop in the comments below and let me know what sort of stuff you'd like me to do. Van tours, I'm always a bit dubious with van tours because I don't like advertising what I've got in my van for obvious reasons. However, I know a lot of you do like the van tours and like to see what us as installers, plumbers, heating engineers have in the van, so you can sort of copy what we're having. So there is that as well, which I will do. And also what I want to try and do is some collaborations. Between Christmas and the New Year, I am doing a 36 radiator heating system flush with Mason MJH Plumbing and Heating off Instagram. He lives quite local to me. He was on the Thomas Dudley tour and we got to know each other. So I'm going to be doing that with him between Christmas and New Year. So again, I'll put a little bit of content on with him. But I'd love to do a bit of maybe collaborations with maybe plumber like Tom or Nathan Caprani or PB or whoever, you know. Let me know you want to see me, even Nick Bundy electric. We could do some sort of collaboration there. Let me know what you want to see, because at the end of the day, I want to make some good content of what I always do and what I have done, and I like to stick to the content style that I do. You know, I want to push it along and sort of give back to you what you guys want. So let me know, drop in the comments below, let me know what sort of stuff you want going into the next year. And I say, we've got a couple of factory tours coming up, we've got installer show coming up, and we've got something else coming up that typical YouTube thing I can't really say too much about at the minute, but hopefully in January I'm going to be able to let you know a bit more about that. But I just basically wanted to jump on here and say a massive thank you to everybody who supports the channel, as always. So, you know, thank you. The channel is what you're making it by viewing it and sharing it and interacting in the comments, hitting the like button. So on that note, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, drop me a comment below. I hope you have a brilliant Christmas, brilliant New Year, and I will catch you in 2023 for some more Real World Plumbing.